name is Jemima Chomhendo. Mentorship to me is a pathway to an individual's personal growth and motivation for day-to-day life. And this is through the knowledge, the skills and the advice that is passed down from more experienced individuals who are open to sharing from their professional and personal journeys. And I believe this helps to shape an individual's perspective of life and the decisions they take on. I believe young people should engage more with experienced leaders, because from these interactions you get to realize that the challenges that these leaders faced are more or less the same challenges young people are currently facing. And so this helps to instill endurance, focus and determination.